Hi there, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can use ElevenLabs free AI text-to-speech. So the first thing that you will have to do is, of course, sign up or log into your ElevenLabs account. And once you're here, you will just have to go to the text-to-speech uh cate- text-to-speech section. And once you're here, you will just have to click create a new speech, or you could also um enter your text in the input field, which is right here. And then what you will have to do is just choose a free voice from the available options. So you could actually just choose from the library, which is right here. So for example, I would want this voice. You will just have to again click it, and then you will just have to click generate speech, which is right here, so that you will be able to preview the voice output. Wait for it to load, and then now what
嘿，
you
我是个人类。
Okay, as you can see, the voice has been generated, and finally, you can just download the generated audio file to your computer by just clicking this download icon right here. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you, and have an awesome day.